Beautiful great squirrel. Thank you, Lord. It's very cold. It's 6 degrees and 10 miles per hour wind. This spot is very new to us. It's our first time being here. So far it's pretty promising. Really nice forest. Very good habitat for squirrels. I've only seen 2 squirrels. Missed one this morning. We got one. We're gonna check out this whole area, do some scouting. Maybe this spot might be a good spot for the future to come back to. We'll see. Look at that. That's a deep drop down there. You fall down there, you ain't getting back up. Wow, amazing, beautiful. Oh man, it's cold today. Couple one now. Cái chỗ gì từ? Cái chỗ lái thật hả? Trong kia mà. Còn kinh cha. Lấy cú xoay họ tôi chỉ cho sẵn gió nó, dễ thâu. Tôi lấy nè. Đi nè. Cái trong nó gì mà nào thì hổ. Mua, đã mà nó chỉ bự lưu thế. Cho lát hồ sao? Mua hả? Đó là ướt lại mình chưa chơi ạ, chuyển gió. Cái gì còn ướt lại là mình số, mình to thầu những làm la rồi tay xong. Tuần này cho nó, we're about 3 miles in. Gotta work our way back. It's getting late. It's hot to do tonight, Kayla. Very steep. Alright, that's it for today. We got 4 squirrels. We saw 5. But yeah, it's super cold, so it's only 11, but we're gonna head out. Thanks for watching.